दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। Start. Heard Learned Counsel for the petitioners, Learned Standing Counsel for respondent numbers 1 and 2, and Shri Ramendra Pratap Singh, Learned Counsel for respondent number 3 full stop para. The petitioners have preferred the present writ petition with the following prayers colon para quote A. Issue a writ order or direction in the nature of certiorari quashing the order dated 6/9/2019 passed by respondent number 3 full stop para B. Issue a writ order or direction in the nature of mandamus commanding the respondent number 3 to provide 10% developed land as well as 64.7% additional compensation in view of the full bench judgment in Gajaraj and others versus State of UP and others in respect of the land acquired of the petitioner number 1 plot number 344 khasra numbers 699/2 73/7/2 petitioner number 2 plot number 305 khasra numbers 740 622 petitioner number 3 plot number 8 khasra number 621 petitioner numbers 4 to 10 khasra number 670 village Surajpur Pargana Dadri district Gautam Buddh Nagar full stop para C. Issue any other writ order or direction which this honorable court may deem fit and proper under the facts and circumstances of the case full stop para D. Award the cost of the petition in favor of the petitioners full stop D court para. Fact in brief as contained in the writ petition are that the petitioners are owners and bhumidhar with transferable rights of their respective land situate in village Surajpur, Pargana, Dadri, district Gautam Buddh Nagar full stop. The lands of the petitioners were acquired by the state government by issuing a notification dated 13/9/1996 under section 4 of the Land Acquisition Act 1894 in bracket hereinafter referred to as the Act 1894 bracket out, which was followed by a notification dated 28/10/1996 issued under section 6 of the Act full stop para. It is stated in paragraph 5 of the writ petition that the lands were acquired on the basis of conception that the acquiring authority will provide 10% developed land to each and every petitioner in order to sustain their livelihood after the acquisition of their entire lands full stop. In this regard, learned counsel for the petitioners also placed reliance upon a resolution dated 22/11/1997 passed by the respondent authorities full stop. It is further stated in the writ petition that subsequently the aforesaid resolution was revised and now a resolution has been passed to provide 10% developed land to the farmers of Noida and 5% to the farmers of the Greater Noida full stop para. A large number of writ petitions were filed before this court challenging the notification issued by the respondent authority, and ultimately the aforesaid writ petitions were decided by full bench of this court in the case of Gajaraj and others versus State of UP and others 2011 in bracket 11 bracket out ADJ 1 in bracket FB bracket out full stop. It further revealed from perusal of the record that the petitioners had also earlier filed a writ petition before this court full stop over. तो दोस्तों ये हो गया है 120 से ज़्यादा की स्पीड का डिक्टेशन। ठीक है, इसमें नाम आया है गाँव का, परगना तो बनता ही है, नॉर्मल बनता है PR मतलब P में R का हुक गे और N पूरा। ठीक है, सूरजपुर के लिए सर्किल अपवर्ड आर जे और पी आर मतलब पी में आर का हुक सूरजपुर हो गया। खसरा वसरा तो बना ही लेंगे आप लोग, के सर्किल अपवर्ड आर ये खसरा होता है, के को काट दीजिए खा के लिए, ठीक है। तो ये तो हो गया। और कोई नाम था ना, गौतम बुद्ध नगर गे बनाइए, उसको बी से काटिए, गौतम बुद्ध हो गया। और नगर के लिए एन की डबलिंग से या नॉर्मल एन से उसको डिसजॉइन कर दीजिए नीचे। दादरी तो डी की डबलिंग और अपवर्ड आर ई की वॉवल। और कुछ है? नोएडा तो इजी है। चलिए फिर 2 मिनट बाद क्रिमिनल डिक्टेशन शुरू करते हैं। जो भी हों चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, लाइक वाइक शेयर कर दीजिए। लाइक तो कर दिया करो भाई सब लोग, लाइक से जो है वीडियो थोड़ा सामने आती है ना। चलिए कमेंट बताइएगा, शुरू किया जाए क्रिमिनल डिक्टेशन 10 सेकेंड में, ठीक है। तैयार हो जाइए कॉपी पेंसिल लेके, पेन लेके। Start. The applicants, by means of this application under Section 482 CRPC, have invoked the inherent jurisdiction of this court with prayer to quash the entire proceeding of complaint case number 1577 of 2012 under Sections 323, 504, 506 IPC and Section 3 in bracket 1 bracket out in bracket 10th bracket out of the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes in bracket prevention of atrocities bracket out act 1989 pending in the court of judicial magistrate Dudhi Sonbhadra full stop para. Heard learned counsel for applicants, learned counsel for opposite party number 2, learned AGA for state and perused the record full stop para. Learned counsel for applicants argued that a departmental inquiry was pending against Vinod Kumar Tanay, wherein applicant number 1 KP Thakur was inquiry officer and applicant number 2 Vinod Kumar was presenting officer full stop. This inquiry was being hindered by Vinod Kumar Tanay by any means full stop. He was summoned for recording of evidence in above inquiry where he came with MP Tiwari, another co-worker full stop. It was objected with a direction to MP Tiwari not to intervene in the proceeding of inquiry and he was asked to remain outside of the chamber of applicant number 1 wherein inquiry was being conducted full stop. He made obstruction full stop. The complainant Vinod Kumar Tanay was of habit of creating hindrance in the smooth functioning by making false accusation at different stages because of being member of scheduled caste community full stop. In that inquiry too, he tried so for which instant a complaint was lodged by applicants to departments, superiors as well as local authorities full stop. This complaint with false accusation was got lodged before court of judicial magistrate Dudhi Sonbhadra, wherein allegation was levelled with a view to make hindrance in above departmental inquiry, wherein he was examined under section 200 CRPC and his 2 witnesses in bracket co-workers bracket out were examined under section 202 CRPC and on the basis of same learned magistrate passed impugned summoning order for offences punishable under sections 323, 504, 506 IPC read with section 3 in bracket 1 bracket out in bracket 10th bracket out of SC/ST Act, whereas no assault or abuse in a public view was said to be made by applicants nor it was ever made full stop. The statements recorded under section 200 CRPC as of complainant was with no mention that this occurrence of alleged assault and abuse was made with intention to abuse or insult on the basis of complainant being member of scheduled caste community by present applicants who were not member of scheduled caste community full stop. The place of occurrence has been said to be chamber of applicant number 1, that 2 after bolting it from inside, that is, it was not an abuse in public view full stop. The essential ingredients of offense punishable under section 3 in bracket 1 bracket out in bracket 10th bracket out of the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes in bracket prevention of atrocities bracket out act 1989 in bracket herein after referred to as the act bracket out full stop over. तो दोस्तों ये हो गया है, ठीक है, 120 प्लस की स्पीड में। इसमें कुछ नाम आए हैं। विनोद है, विनोद नहीं विनोद। विनोद के लिए क्या करिए, नॉर्मल बी बनाइए, एन बनाइए और डी बना दीजिए, एन का हुक मतलब, ठीक है। विनोद ये हो गया और विनोद भी आप पूरा ही बनेगा, वी एन फिर डी, और उसी में ख्यार जोड़ दीजिए, विनोद कुमार हो जाएगा। विनोद भी आया है इसमें, विनोद भी आया है। चलिए ठाकुर तो टी एच, उसमें के आर है ना, और दुद्धि आया तो दुद्धि में डी की डबलिंग कर दीजिए, नीचे वाले डी को काट दीजिए, ई की वॉवल लगा दीजिए, ज़रूरी वॉवल। सोनभद्र के लिए सर्किल एन और बी की डबलिंग कर दीजिए और बी को काट दीजिएगा, मतलब डबलिंग में जो फर्स्ट पार्ट है बी का उसको काट दीजिएगा, सोनभद्र हो जाएगा। और क्या है, और तिवारी तो बता ही चुके हैं, टी थ्रो द लाइन और वे की डबलिंग अपवर्ड, मतलब आर अपवर्ड आर निकाल दीजिएगा, ई की वॉवल लगा दीजिएगा, है ना। और तो कुछ है नहीं। चलिए फिर मिलेंगे अगले डिक्टेशन में, ठीक।